Class 2nd students, this is your GK book, page number 32. Clothes we wear. Can you solve this crossword about the clothes you wear? We have to solve this crossword. This is about the clothes which we wear. Use words from the help box, and this is help box which is given here. We have to use this to solve this crossword. Now see first, cross means when we have to write this, we have to write the word in straight manner, and down means when we have to write it the word in down side. Now first, on your hands, what we wear on our hands. First, you can see first is written here. We have to write like this in the downward. Now what we wear on hands? Belt, no. Shoes, no. Pants, no. Socks, no. Dress, no. Gloves, yes. When we wear gloves. Cross the word when we after using that word. It will be easy. Gloves. Now you have to write G L O V E S, gloves. Now read second, cross. We have to write it like this in the straight direction around your waist. What we wear around our waist? Is it belt? Yes, we wear belt around our waist. So cross it. Now write. Now see where 2 is written. Here it is written. Now write B E L T, belt. Now read third one, on your feet. Now see, this is a number 3, and we have to write number 3 in downside also and in crossword also. So first read this, on your feet. It is crossword. So on your feet, हम feet पे क्या पहनते हैं? It is shoes, pants, socks, dress, scarf, hat, shirt or coat. What we wear on our feet? It is shoes. So you will write shoes in a crossword direction. You will write S H O, E is written, and S, shoes. Now downward side, number 3 covers your chest. What covers our chest? Does pant covers our chest? No. Socks? No. Dress? No. Scarf? Hat? Shirt? Coat? It is shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Write shirt in downwards. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Now read fourth one, what a girl wears. जो girl होती हैं, what they wear pants, no. Socks, no. Dress, no. Dress, yes. Scarf, hat, coat. It is dress. Now see, it is written fourth here. Girls also wear scarf, but you can see on second letter it is coming R. Here is any word which you can see word dress is a word where R is written on the second letter. So you will write dress here. D R E double S, dress. Now see. Now fifth one, under your shoe. What we wear under our shoes? It is socks. Cross it and write socks. See where is written number 5. There it is S-O-C-K-S, socks. Now see number 6. On your head. What we wear on our head? Now see number 6. It is written only 3. We have to write only 3 letter word, and there is only one word which having 3 letter. It is hat. Write H-A-T, hat. Now seventh, around your neck. What we wear around our neck? Now see, where is seventh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The letter should be of 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But pens, but we do not wear pens on our neck. Scarf, yes, scarf we wear around our neck. So you will S C A R and F, scarf. Now next is 8 number, over your clothes in cold weather. What we wear over our clothes? हमारे clothes के ऊपर हम ऊपर से क्या पहनते हैं in cold winter? It starts with C and has 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Coat. Coat is starting with C and it has 4 letters. So you will write C is written, O, then A is written, then T. Coat. Now last, on your legs. What we wear on our legs? Only one letter is left, which is pants. So you will write P A N T S, pants. So this was your crossword. Do it in your book, and if you don't have book, then do it in your notebook. Thank you.